The top stitching around the zipper is complete. So we went across from this end of the zip, across the zipper tab, over to the vinyl, and stop to the end of the zipper on this side. So now we're going to remove our pins, and we're going to open up our seam, and we're going to just sew across here to make sure that our seam allowance remains open. We can do it on all four corners. So we're going to do it over here as well. Just open it up and just sew across just here to hold it down. So let's do that. So this will keep your seam allowance open. This is optional. You don't have to do this step if you don't want. You can just clip it open if that is easier for you. So now we're going to pull our two lining pieces together and the two exterior pieces together, making sure they're right sides facing. Also, you want to open up your zipper. So for the main zipper, you will open it halfway, and the pocket zipper, because you're turning through the pocket, you will open it all the way. Okay, pocket open all the way, main zipper halfway. The pocket should be loose like this, and when you close up, do not sew over your pocket. It should always be loose. This will make it easier when you're ready to turn. Let's just match up our exterior pieces. First, we're going to make sure it's matching where the seams meet. We're going to trim the seam allowance down a bit. Okay, so we've completed sewing around, and now we're going to turn our bag right side out through the opening in the pocket. So I'm going to put my hand all the way through and pull. Just take your time and push out your corners. Make sure everything is fit nicely. Roll the seams. Make sure you push out your zipper tab. Just going to close up the pocket bottom. Make sure you poke out the corners. Fold in. You can press, or you can just use some clips to hold it down. So I've closed up. You can stitch as close to the edge as possible and push it back in. Poke out your corners. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Close up. You can add a tassel, some kind of charm to your zipper pulls to make it nice and cute. You can add this to your larger handbag as a little organizer to put your stuff. And yeah, or you can just carry it as a standalone little clutch. This is an awesome little make, and the pattern is free on the Blue Collar website. It's called the Periwinkle Pouch. So you can go there and download your free pattern and make your pouch. I'm just going to press over the fabric side and not the vinyl. Also, you want to avoid your zipper teeth. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.